Chris Huber with Virtual Systems, and today we'll be taking a look at the dashboard interface between Virtual Systems Midnight MIS and Ironsides APT tracking system. Midnight is a cloud-based MIS system, and it has a dashboard with a number of different widgets, as you can see here. This is the opening view or menu when you go into the system, and depending on your role in the company, whether you're a CSR or a salesperson or a manager or a machine operator, you see different bits of information that are pertinent to your role. We're actually looking at all of the different roles here right now. So inside of the system, we've set up Ironsides as one of the widgets, and this can be set up as a pop-up or a direct widget. In this case, I'm using the click-through. So I can open the device monitor and the SLA monitor to monitor the equipment on the shop floor. Let's take a look at the SLA monitor first. So inside the SLA monitor, I see a list of all of the jobs and their various statuses in process on the shop floor. And this will give me not only the job information and the customer, but also order ID, which syncs up with the information, the order number in Midnight, the status, when it was received and when it was due. And it also color codes these, which makes it easy to spot various status codes. So that's the SLA monitor. And then secondly, we'll take a look at the device monitor. Now inside the device monitor, you'll see you've got a number of different machines that are running, and they could be really any type of machine, digital presses, inserters, folders, perfect binders, sorters, and that sort of thing. So, and this gives you an idea of the percentage of completion in a nice visual format for any given job. All of this information, again, is accessible from the Midnight dashboard to get at that just along with all of the other widgets that you would normally have in your MIS system. So it's really a nice extension to the system because you can get at it really without having to install any additional software from wherever you are. One of the importances of this is that there's key operational functions for print and mail that both of these systems are going to handle together. And Ironsides APT provides a deeper real-time view into what's happening on the shop floor. And by using this established workflow connector, APT is able to collect data real-time from any device in an automated fashion. And what that means to the customer is that there's no longer a need for gathering data and job updates to the floor in a manual fashion. APT will do all of that work for you. Both the SLA Manager and Device Monitor are integrated into the Midnight dashboard, and then that allows customers to have access to all the necessary information within one centralized portal. So that is a recap of our overview today of the interface between Midnight and Ironsides APT. Hope you enjoyed the demo, and thank you for joining us.